We couldn't believe we actually got such a smart cake made in a small, dingy bakery in a remote part of an even remote hill. We were vacationing in Tirthan Valley and went trekking to Jalori Pass. It was Bedobroto's birthday eve, and on our way back, we realized we didn't have a cake. It was almost evening, and we had very little hope to find a cake shop at that time in this area. We asked around, and the locals mentioned there was a bakery near the bus stop. Luckily, we were not very far away from the bakery. We walked a little and reached a tiny, dingy looking bakery. We asked them for a cake, and they said they didn't have one ready, but if we were willing to wait for about half an hour, they could arrange one for us. We agreed, and they started making a cake in front of our eyes. The next 30 minutes were all about witnessing a Desi Indian jugaad for making a birthday cake. They made the base of the cake with broken cake pieces, used a piece of cardboard for flattening out the excess icing, made a piping bag from old newspaper, and decorated the cake on a makeshift Desi cake rotating board.
Move over TLC.
Yeah, move over here.
This is what TLC does too.
Yeah.
We thought since it's an extremely basic bakery in a remote mountain village, the cake would be something very simple, not city like. Maybe an apology for a cake. But when they started making the cake, we realized maybe this is how all the cakes are made in city bakeries too. We mostly see the finished product in the showcase and have no idea how these cakes are really made inside the bakery.
He has the cake ready and he puts the icing on it.
So there, it's like various tiers. So he's adding icing in between, and the cake part is ready.
Also
It's
the
very cool.
The basically sponge cake is there.
First of all, he mends the broken parts. That's an art.
He meant the broken part. And then made one layer with broken parts.
Then he made one layer with broken parts. I'm a huge fan of those cake decoration programs on TLC.
What is this program?
Like 3 o'clock in the night, 4 o'clock in the night. That's so addictive. And the thing is that they have a lot more gadgets.
Please watch this video till the end to see the final touches on the cake. We assure you it's worth your time.
Did you see his cone?
He made the cone.
Ah, he made the
He
cone.
made the cone. I saw that.
So first, he's cut the sponge cake, mended the layers, put the cream. Now he's putting what?
Certain colors and the
He mended the layers. He put a layer of cream in between.
That is he spread that cream out.
No, he put a layer of cream in between. Then he put cream on the top, and now he's doing this.
all
Yeah.
over.
And now he's doing these lines.
He's decorating it
Uh,
with that cone.
no, he's doing these ridges with something, with a corrugated piece of cardboard. It's so nifty. Now we did texture on top. Pata?
Oh yeah, corrugated texture.
Diamonds on the top.
So I think you're the first child who's seen this cake being made.
Yeah, absolutely. Not a child, literally, but yeah.
Have
Child
the
not her.
cake and eat it too.
I'm gonna have my cake and eat it. If nobody else, my mother is going to be very happy.
That there was a cake.
And there was a cake and there's a celebration and things like that.
They didn't give us a half-baked product, well, pun intended, but it was well decorated and a properly done birthday cake. In fact, when they made roses and leaves out of icing, we just couldn't take our eyes off.
I think making the middle part. Oh, flowers. Wow. Awesome. So this is another cream. I guess this is thicker.
No, he actually used that. Oh wow. Lovely. He's making another flower.
This is a thicker cream. Just a petal
Acha.
banata. And I think the slit is also different.
Ah, the
That
slit
why
is
you
different.
Get this flat thing,
Mhm.
petal like.
That's a different slit again. Oh,
Oh.
feel like that. It's going to be green. Very abstract, huh?
these colors, but now that he's doing it, it is so.
This whole process is so charming. Yeah.
When they gave the final touches to the cake using strawberry jelly, or is it coolie? Never mind, we just jumped out of joy. The cake looked stunning, and we couldn't believe we actually got such a smart cake made in a small dingy bakery in a remote part of an even remote hill.
नाम
बेदो लिखवाता है
नहीं नहीं बेदा ब्रो तो लिखा था.
पूरा
हाँ भाई साहब ने इतना सुंदर लिखा जो है.
इतना लंबा आ निकाल
क्यों नहीं है?
कितना नाम
चलो
इतना ही तो लेटर्स है.
ठीक है
बोले
मैं एक एक अल्फाबेट बताता हूँ बंगाली
इतना इतना.
बी से बॉम्बे वाला
ये बोला कि
हाँ जी हाँ ये वाला.
And there are flowers also.
he just made these flowers
BED
he just made these flowers and
A
There's an edible.
B
हाँ देखा नहीं
Wow.
he made it with a green
R A
food color he just sprayed
R
food color
A
on these flowers.
T A.
There's a lot that can happen with food.
Oh yeah.
बस
I mean it's on fire.
The beautiful cake totally lit up the 12 o'clock birthday celebration and gave us a food and travel memory that we would cherish forever.